Hello, everybody. I'm Ishnur Kaur, the lead moderator of debate and discussions. And today I want to share a story with you. A story of a man in little of an olden time. The man was really passionate about eating sweets. He used to crave them all day long. But sweets in that time in the neighborhood were extremely expensive. So he decided one day that he's going to earn lots and lots of money. So much money that he can eat as many sweets as he wants, by hook or by crook. He decided that he's gonna start earning money. So he did everything he could do, from robbing, from making deals, from getting jobs, working 18 hours a day, everything. He earned and earned. But he said that I'll not have sweets until I can rest in peace and have them. Then came the day that he earned as much money as he possibly could. He earned so much that he could have all the delicacies of the entire world. As he collected his money to go to his favorite bakery of the childhood, he fell down. He got dizzy. And when the doctors checked him out, the doctors said that his sugar was extremely high. His sugar was at a point that he could not have anything sweet, even fruits. That day, the man realized that he spent his entire life trying to earn money for eating sweets. How he earned money was a completely different story. But now, with the fear of death, he couldn't have any of them. He couldn't enjoy his sweets, and he couldn't enjoy many other things. That's when he remembered all the things he had to leave when he made the decision of trying to earn that money. He had to leave his family, his friends, getting together, celebrations, holidays, everything. And that's when I thought there's so many things in life that we give up everything for. And those so many things could be absolutely anything. It could be the passion of becoming a certain career, it could be the bond of a family, anything. But with this metaphorical example, it really came to my attention that yes, having the passion for something is no bad. It's in fact extremely vital. But what is important to remember is that there needs to be a balance. And as lots and lots of videos of debate and discussions cover, having the balance is extremely important. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.